Hey guys, I want to welcome you to the I'm Local podcast today. I'm so excited to have Dr. Gabrielle Williams here with me and Miss Sean Council Esquire with me today. And we just want to share something with you. We have an event that's coming up on May 6th at 10 a.m. at the Henry County Chamber of Commerce in the Small Business Resource Center. And I just want us to share this information with you guys so you can see what's going on. So Sean, why don't you share with everyone what your thoughts are?
Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I have a situation I want Dr. Williams to address. Now, Dr. Williams, for those of you who don't know, she has a fabulous practice. And her practice is different because you pay a membership fee every month, and then you have a number of opportunities to meet her and for her to assess your health and figure it all out. So I was wondering, I think that's a great, wonderful product, especially for small businesses who don't have health insurance and they want to get it and they want to maybe even consider getting it for their employees. Dr. Williams is the right kind of product for you. And I think she does house calls. Do you do house calls?
Sure do.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I read that website and I watched her on Instagram. She does house calls too. I just want to make sure I was right. But listen, Dr. Williams, what had happened was I need some work on my teeth. And I said to myself, I just got the treatment plan, it's situational. And so I said, oh, but things wear out like your human body. It wears out over time. You can take care of it as best you can, but things happen. And as a business owner, we have to be mindful of making sure we're aware of what's going on in our bodies and our teeth too. Now, is it true, Dr. Williams? Plaque in your mouth equals plaque in your arteries.
That's hilarious. So there's a correlation that's not direct, or like if you have plaque in your teeth, you're gonna have plaque in your arteries. No. But we do know that dental hygiene is can be a reflection of your health overall. But like you said, sometimes we'll have pain and then we'll hold things off and then until things get bad and we don't address it. And what I find is that as small businesses, we're really busy. And if we don't have health insurance, we ration out our care. We ration out the money that we're going to put towards care because sometimes things are more pressing. However, I want to make sure to put at the forefront of everyone's minds who's listening of how important it is to not delay your care. As I always say, early intervention will always trump reactive care, will always trump waiting till the last minute. Because unfortunately, people do develop irreversible damage if they are not addressing things at the beginning, at the onset. So I get it. We want to do things to help treat the issues, which is fine as long as, you have a physician who's like directing you and say, all right, this is what you can do. You don't necessarily have to see a specialist yet, but make sure you have a doctor, right? Make sure you have a doctor that you can trust. Make sure you are telling your doctor what's going on and having a discussion about your treatment plan so that you're on board because you guys are making a decision together. And of course, if things get worse, we got emergency rooms, we got urgent cares. Please don't ration out your care. Oftentimes I see people don't go to emergency room because of the wait, because of the cost. But what you
don't even go to urgent care. Yeah.
That's a problem.
Absolutely.
It's going to happen.
Absolutely.
So dental, back to your question, dental hygiene is very important. Very important. It can affect your health overall.
Okay. So I find myself with issues and over 20 years of crowns and fillings. There's nothing else you can do. And for some people, they wear down depending on what they're eating and chewing, I guess, and how hard they're chewing. They wear down in like 5 years. Mine are like 20 years and going. And some of them are in my mouth for 40 years, actually. And so my question is, do you have a referral for a dentist who also has a membership like business like yours where I could pay like $100 and something? I think yours is $179 a month. Mm-hmm. And no waiting period, because I got to get some stuff done. Do you understand? And he gave me this list. It's like 7 teeth on there. And I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do? No. So do you have a referral, Dr. Williams? Because I got issues.
Listen, I got people now. I don't know of any in Atlanta that do membership
I
based.
know.
Yeah. So listen, to shout out to any dentists out there who want to do membership based practice, you can see that people are out here needing this type of care.
Yes. Yes.
But there are definitely 24-hour dental clinics around the area, but I know that how important it is to be with just one person who knows you, who understands what's going on, and
Yeah.
doesn't necessarily
Yeah.
go to.
That's $1 million practice. 550 550 patients who pay 179 per month. Do the math on it. That's $1 million practice. And you could anybody can handle that. So I just want one doctor in Metro Atlanta to say, I'm gonna start a membership site. I can help you with the website too, and the pay links and everything. I know how to do that. Of course, Lincoln is going to teach us a lot about marketing and websites and things like that, but I know how to do stuff too. And we could get that doctor up and rolling in about 2 or 3 days, and he would have a whole lot of clients who would pay that 179 to come in there for him to fix our teeth. Okay. All right. That was what I wanted.
Well,
That's
this
what
is
was my main
well,
issue.
well. This is why we're hosting this expo, and the reason why we're hosting this expo is to really highlight small businesses and really to make that connection with each other, not just the superficial connection, a real connection. One of the things that I really learned over my time as chair of the chamber in 2021 was that there are a lot of businesses that really didn't want to share information that they may be failing, they may be struggling, they may be hurting. It's a personal thing, and you don't want that to be out in the community. However, this is for people to come together and really connect and truly look at each other's businesses and say, how can I help you? Truly, how can I help you? And even if you have a service that you're offering right now that may be a high ticket service, how can you offer a service that another small business could afford, that they can really work with you just to get in the door? And then the next thing you both are growing and succeeding together. So that's really what this conference is
Absolutely.
about, to talk about the marketing aspects, to talk about the medical and health, and then to talk about the law and legalities of it all. I'm Dr. Williams. I just want to ask you one question. I know Dr. Council just asked you about, talking about your methods and everything that you do, which is very unique. As you see, there aren't many businesses that are doing what you do. So who do you service small businesses? Like what can you offer like small businesses?
Oh yeah, thank you for asking. Small businesses under 50 are not required to provide health insurance for their employees. But then that leads to different problems like absenteeism, like people not being able to retain the staff members in satisfaction, because people are going to go where the benefits are, right? They want security. They want to know that their employer cares about them and not just paying them on time, but also providing benefits that they can use. Gateway Direct Health has a business healthcare solution where employers can cover the membership fee of their employees, and their employees have excellent primary care that you won't find elsewhere. That means that with paying that monthly membership fee, they don't have any copays or deductibles to come in to make an appointment. They have my phone number to call and text directly. And how many people can say that they have their doctor's number to text? Because sometimes
That's
you got to
right.
go through the wait, got to wait 30 minutes just to talk to somebody else who will never let you talk to the doctor.
That's right. That's right.
And they also get access to appointments same day or next day for urgent issues, or within weeks for follow-ups. We're providing convenience. In addition to having in-office visits here at our Stockbridge location, I also do telemedicine. So they can, if they're busy at work and just need a quick call for lunch, I'm happy to do that. So we're providing that convenience for them. And for business owners, it is great to attract more talent. It's great to retain your employees, increase satisfaction, because again, you're providing this unique service that is at the fraction of the cost of health insurance. Let's be clear. It's very cost effective for employers because, again, we understand we're small businesses. We're trying to become profitable, right? And we're trying to grow. And so I don't want people to wait until they become $1 million business or provide benefits. You can start now with providing this business healthcare solutions from Gateway Direct Health.
Awesome. That's
I was
phenomenal.
talking about the $1 million, meaning that a dental office that had 550 patients, that's $1 million business. That's what I'm saying. Did you understand that, Gabrielle?
Yes.
Okay. Dr. Williams? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So, Ms. Counsel, I
Yes,
wanted to ask
Dr. Sean Council Esquire.
Dr. Sean Counsel. Let me get
Yes,
it right.
thank you, thank you. I
Let
worked
me get it
hard
right
for
because
all of those
if I
titles.
don't get it right, I won't add a lot
Dr.
to this.
Sean Council
Okay, so let
Esquire.
me
I
start over.
worked
Dr.
hard.
Sean Counsel Esquire. Let me ask
Yes,
you a question. Okay,
yes.
so for small businesses that are out here right now, and they don't think that they could afford an attorney for their businesses getting started or whatever it is. You people say I could go online and fill out the whatever and do this. Okay, talk to us about that. We got about 3 minutes, so talk to us about what can you do for small businesses.
Wow. Okay. Filling out a form, it's not customized for every business. That's the first thing. Your business may be have a totally different set of needs than those small number of issues that are addressed on that form. Same thing with ChatGPT. It's very, 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 very basic. And the benefit of having a personal attorney is they know you, they get to know your business, and I care. I care about my business owners that have retained my services and have put me on retainer, monthly retainer, and pay my bill. And so, what can we offer small business? Well, we have litigation support services. So, we're very good at understanding the dynamics of what's involved in the case, the complaint that's been filed against you, and doing our very best, often very successfully, at mitigating the damages and or getting a dismissal outright. But we also can sue on behalf of our clients as well when they suffer some sort of damages. We will offer going forward a fee product of approximately $199 per month, which will cover at least an hour of our services per month. And so sometimes people just have a phone call. They want to make a phone call. They have a quick question. They have a troubled or problem employee. They want to figure that out, or they want you to do a contract review. We can do all those things for that $199 a month. So that's a real nice starter rate for small businesses in Henry County and in Georgia, state of Georgia and the metro Atlanta area, where they can avail themselves of quality legal services.
Awesome. Yeah, that is great that you decided to, offer something for small businesses. That's going to be great. So guys, as you can see, you're going to get a ton of information at this expo. I think you're going to enjoy it. You're going to have a great time. You have experts here on the panel that, they are the best at what they do in their field. So come prepared, come with your notes, come with some business cards, come ready to actually offer something to another small business when you walk out of there. So I don't want anybody walking out of here that does not have a connection with somebody else. That's the goal and of what we're talking about. So I'm excited about this event on May 6th, and it is going to be at the Henry County Chamber of Commerce in their Small Business Resource Center. I'm just, I can't wait, and I can't wait to work with you guys and really get this thing going. So look forward to that. Look forward to some more information coming out about this event. And thank you guys for being on today.
And thank you for having us. I enjoy working with both of you, and I know this expo is going to be very, very, very successful. And we'll have some food for you too. We won't starve you.
Absolutely. All right.